Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create shadow in Adobe Illustrator. First we need a text. Create a text. Write whatever you like and choose a font that works for you. It doesn't really matter. And copy it because we need two. You can change colors of them. Then choose both of them. Go to Object, Blend, and click Make. Here you have a blended text, but that doesn't really look like shadow right now. You can also click and hold and drag it. It will reshape itself. You don't have to do extra work. Then select it, go to Object, Blend, and Blend options. Choose specified steps. Also don't forget to click Preview so you can see the changes you're making. I am trying some numbers, but they are not working. Obviously, we need a higher number, 2200 it is. Now, as you can see, my text is in the background, so click and bring it to the front. Here you have a shadow. It doesn't look right, I know, but it will in a minute. Like that. You can move it around until it looks right to you or until it is what you want your shadow to look like. And I think it's good for now. Oops. Just play around and see what you like. You can always change it in the process. And at first we had two text. This one is the one in the background. If you change it, you don't have to do extra work. It blends both colors together without you doing an extra work. Now copy it. You will know why you copy it. Select it, go to Object and click Expand so you turn it into a shape. And what I will try to do in this one is I will try to make the text more visible. Go to Effect, Stylize, and Inner Glow. Click Preview. Make the mode darken. And it is in black. You can make it any color, but we will use black for today. And we will work with numbers to see how it changes. As you can see, opacity can create a dramatic difference, so you have to be careful with it because it looks really tacky right now. Just play with it. I think 12 is good for this one, and here you have it. I don't know why there is some thin white lines on the outer of the text, but it wasn't supposed to be like this. I wanted to make it more visible, but I don't know. and that's why we have a copy. And I just click on the effect and deleted it because I didn't really like it. And I go to effect and apply the inner glow again, but it's not changing. And again, there are some really thin white lines. Sorry, that was a